Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the 5 best electric sanders every woodworker should have in their toolkit. Whether you're refining a smooth surface, tackling a tough project, or polishing like a pro, these sanders are designed to make your work easier and more efficient. We'll break down the top picks, highlight their standout features, and help you find the perfect sander for your needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. HRENGJ Compact Electric Sander. The HRENGJ 300 watts electric sander is a compact powerhouse designed for serious DIY enthusiasts. With a 5-inch sanding pad and 6-speed gear adjustment, it delivers unmatched control and versatility. Whether it's wood, metal, walls, or even car surfaces, this sander tackles it all. Powered by a durable brushless motor, it offers consistent performance with less noise and longer lifespan. The 3mm eccentricity ensures smoother, swirl-free finishes, making every sanding and polishing task effortless. It supports a wide range of sandpaper, from coarse P60 to ultrafine P1000, allowing users to switch based on the task. Weighing only 1.6 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle, even for extended use. With variable speed up to 12,000 RPM and dual voltage support, the HRENGJ sander is built for both convenience and power. It's a reliable tool for every home workshop. Number 4. WOYOFADA Brushless Electric Sander. The WOYOFADA 125mm brushless electric sander is built for serious sanding power with smooth results. Designed for both DIYers and renovation teams, this random orbit sander brings flexibility and performance in one compact tool. It features a brushless motor for higher efficiency, longer life, and less maintenance. With a 125mm sanding pad and 3-speed control ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 RPM, users can adjust the speed for any task, whether polishing, grinding, or sanding. Powered by a MAXXT 18-volt battery, it offers cordless freedom without compromising power. The tool is lightweight at just 2 kilograms, making it easy to handle during extended use. Ideal for woodwork, metal finishing, or commercial renovation, this sander supports variable speeds and runs on 20-volt. The WOYOFADA electric sander stands out as a reliable, professional-grade solution for smooth and efficient surface finishing. Number 3. MAXXT Woodworking Sanding Machine. The MAXXT 20-volt woodworking corner sanding machine is a versatile tool for DIY enthusiasts. With a 350 watts motor, it provides impressive power for sanding wood, drywall, and even car polishing. Its no-load speed reaches up to 10,000 RPM, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. This sander offers a flexible speed range from 4,000 to 10,000 RPM, allowing users to adjust based on the material and project. Its 15 cm wheel diameter, combined with eccentricity settings of 25mm and 50mm, ensures smooth finishes with minimal vibration. Weighing only 2.35 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle for extended use. The built-in vacuum head helps keep the workspace clean by collecting dust efficiently. The package includes 8 sanding papers, an adapter, hose, and an Allen key, providing everything needed to get started right away. Number 2. Shouyiyoupin R7304 Eccentric Sander. The Shouyiyoupin R7304 500 watts electric eccentric sander is a powerful tool for anyone looking to tackle DIY sanding and polishing projects. With a 500 watts motor, it delivers consistent power for sanding wood, processing surfaces, and car polishing. This sander features a 150mm sanding pad, ideal for covering large areas quickly and efficiently. With 6 adjustable speed settings, ranging from 6,000 RPM, you can tailor the speed to your project needs, whether it's fine sanding or heavier-duty tasks. Weighing just 2.3 kilograms, it's easy to handle and comfortable for extended use. The sander is AC powered, ensuring continuous power for those long working sessions. Whether you're working on furniture, wood, or car surfaces, this tool provides reliable results with minimal effort. Perfect for home DIYers, the Shouyiyoupin R7304 offers versatility, power, and precision. Number 1. Flex Random Orbital Sander. The Flex 400 watts electric car random orbital sander is a powerful tool built for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. With its 400 watts motor, it delivers reliable performance for sanding, polishing, and woodworking tasks. This versatile sander can tackle a range of materials with ease. One of its standout features is the variable speed control. Whether you're sanding delicate wood or polishing metal, the speed adjustment ensures you can match the tool's performance to your specific needs. The random orbital motion guarantees a smooth, swirl-free finish on every project. Weighing only 2 kilograms, it's easy to handle, even during extended use. The Flex 400 watts is designed for durability and precision, making it ideal for commercial manufacturers or anyone looking for high-quality results. With its compact size and powerful motor, this sander is a must-have for any workshop.